is a kangaroo. It is a large animal. It likes to eat plants. Kangaroos are herbivores. They have large legs and a long tail. They can be orange or gray. They can jump very well. This is a lion. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. Lion carnivores. They have 4 legs. They are tail. They are brown. Male lions have a brown mane around their head.
Very good.